seats and she gets her roll book out, and she's already collected the papers of who doesn't like her and why. And it never occurred to us that was going to go anywhere but in a where we intended it to have some merit. Oh my God. Okay, so then she said, now, if you gave me a birthday card, please come and get your birthday card from my desk and then stand in front of the blackboard. Okay, well, sure. So those of us who had spent the extra quarter to get her a birthday card got our cards, and there were like 5 of us, 6 of us, and we stood in front of the blackboard. She gets her roll book, she walks down the line, and she says, I'll take your card. I think you mean it. I won't take your card. I don't think you need it. Some notation in her roll book. And she went down the line like this, and thank God, by the time she got done with that, it was like end of the school morning. It was time for us to all go home for lunch for an hour. Me, I went to a luncheonette every day because my mom was a working mom. I had a tab running at a local luncheonette. I just went and got the same thing every day. Picked out some comic books to look at, ate my lunch, and then went back to school. And this was the same place that MClennahan ate lunch. So when I went to go have lunch at my booth, because I had a designated booth, I had to sit there and just maintain my composure, pull into my sense of self. When MClennahan and her best bud, Mrs. McCormick, came in and sat down in their booth to have their lunch, not a word was spoken. I'm 10 years old. This is a lot of emotional complexity for a 10-year-old, but this was part of my Primal quest. How do you handle this kind of crap? Whoa. I'm just like, I like making art and writing poems and writing. I didn't really need the rest of this, but I wasn't going to sit and watch my entire class be disrespected. That was a non-starter for me.
Here are my notes, my preparations for today. It's not even funny. I used to be a chronic stutterer, so I kind of know what it feels like. I just spend so much time with pro speakers, international keynote speakers, people playing at a higher level that I just kind of forgot the general population. Now I know, like, the name of my website is nextlevelpublicspeaking.com. It says on the name, okay, so it says right here, right? It just says here, nextlevelpublicspeaking.com. Okay. Anaiis has spent some time in the academy, right? The mindset stuff, mindset piece. It's a bit next level. I got a bunch of stuff. I got workbooks for you. I got videos for you. I got gifts for you. I got money for you. Plus anything you want.